Imagine this for a moment. Your wellness business scales effortlessly, your systems run smoothly, your marketing flows authentically, and your impact multiplies, all driven by intelligent tools that understand your values as deeply as you do. It may sound like a bold vision, but it's already becoming the new normal for wellness leaders who adapt early. In today's video, we're pulling back the curtain on how AI is transforming holistic businesses right now, and more importantly, how you can leverage it to grow exponentially without losing the human touch that makes your work so powerful. Hey everybody, it's Gary Daniel here, co-founder of the AI Wellness Universe, where soulful health meets smart strategy. If you're in wellness and you've wondered if you can grow and stay true to your mission, the answer is yes. And this video will show you how. Because today isn't about choosing between technology and truth. It's about combining both to serve at a higher level. We'll explore what the future of holistic business looks like and how you can embrace technology in a way that strengthens your mission, amplifies your message, and simplifies your day-to-day operations. So let's dive in. The business world is changing so fast. AI isn't coming, it's here. From health tracking and client onboarding to personalized content creation and predictive business analytics, AI is quietly reshaping how entrepreneurs run their businesses. But here's the exciting part. Wellness entrepreneurs are in the perfect position to lead this evolution because your foundation isn't greed or gimmicks, it's service, transformation, and impact. When you combine that heart-centered mission with the right intelligent systems, you create something extraordinary, a business that scales in harmony, not in chaos. So let's redefine what scaling actually means. Most businesses grow by adding more hustle, more noise, more hours. We do it differently. Holistic scaling means expanding with balance, intention, and clarity. Scale your income without scaling your stress. Let smart systems handle the busy work so you can focus on real impact. And use AI as a partner, not a replacement for your passion and creativity. That's not just smart business, it's growth that sustains you instead of draining you. This isn't about replacing your intuition. It's about freeing it. If you're finding this valuable so far, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Tell me what's one part of your business you wish could run smoother right now. I would love to hear from you. So let's look at how AI and automation can actually serve your mission through what I call the 3 pillars of AI-driven growth. Number 1, clarity systems. Simplify the chaos. AI tools can organize your ideas, streamline your workflows, and map out your business structure. Think of them as your digital COO, creating order where there was once overwhelm. Tools like our own AI Wellness Universe Command Center can help you build systems that support your daily flow, automate admin, and create tasks, and create structure that gives you freedom, not pressure. When clarity meets consistency, momentum follows. Now on to number 2, connection systems. Scale your relationships. This is where the magic happens. AI can actually enhance human connection by making it easier to stay personal and present. Imagine personalized client messages written in your tone, automated follow-ups that feel genuinely caring, and calendar systems that handle bookings while you sleep. Tools like Publer and our own AI Wellness Universe Easy AI system make it super easy to stay in touch with your clients and community without feeling glued to your phone. And here's the best part. Automation doesn't have to feel cold or robotic. When you use it with heart and intention, it actually helps you connect in a more authentic human way. And lastly, number 3, creativity systems that expand your voice. AI is an incredible creative partner when you train it with your tone, style, and values. It can help you write blogs, newsletters, or course outlines in minutes. Create branded videos and graphics with tools like our Video Express generator or Canva, and repurpose your existing content into fresh formats automatically. This means you can stay visible, consistent, and creative without burning out or hiring a massive team. AI is your team, and it works 24/7 and is much more cost effective, believe me. AI gives you more time to do what only you can do, guide transformation. Now let's be clear, AI is powerful, but it's not a replacement for human wisdom. People don't invest in information anymore. They invest in authentic connection. That's why your energy, story, and purpose will always be your strongest sales tools. AI simply helps amplify that. It handles the how, so you can focus on the why. And in the AI wellness universe, we say, let technology handle the systems and let your soul handle the service. That's the sweet spot of modern wellness leadership. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI and humans working together. The businesses that shape the future won't just grow faster, they'll grow wiser, combining soulful leadership with smart automation. This is so important. As a wellness entrepreneur, you already have what's missing in most of the tech world: heart, compassion, and a desire to heal. When you combine that with strategy and smart systems, you don't just grow your business, you create a movement. And that is what the world needs right now, a movement towards goodness and service. The future of holistic business scaling is unfolding right before our eyes. It's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most, better, smarter, and more soulfully. So if you're ready to build a business that thrives on clarity, connection, and compassion, this is your time. I'm Gary Daniel, and as always, lead with peace, create with purpose, and grow with confidence. Thank you for being here in the AI Wellness Universe, where soulful health meets smart strategy. Until next time, take care, stay grounded, and keep building your legacy.